Exercise 3. Names of places. Listen to the following places and write them down. Do you know where these places are in Britain?
1. Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Edinburgh.
2. Glasgow. Glasgow. Glasgow.
3. Aberdeen. Aberdeen. Aberdeen.
4. Dundee. Dundee. Dundee.
5. Cardiff. Cardiff. Cardiff.
6. Swansea. Swansea. Swansea.
7. Newport. Newport. Newport.
8. Belfast. Belfast. Belfast.
9. Manchester. Manchester. Manchester.
10. Leeds. Leeds. Leeds.
11. Sheffield. Sheffield. Sheffield.
12. Leicester. Leicester. Leicester.
13. Liverpool. Liverpool. Liverpool.
14. Birmingham. Birmingham. Birmingham.
15. Nottingham. Nottingham. Nottingham.
16. Coventry. Coventry. Coventry.
17. Bristol. Bristol. Bristol.
18. Bradford. Bradford. Bradford.
19. London. London. London.
20. Brighton. Brighton. Brighton.